All right, so we got 1 day to complete this task. Let's create the next task. Find the task. Or get milestone 3. Yeah. All right, so what tasks is this milestone going to be? Right, so we enter the customer info enter, BOM enter. Do our next task, right?
So each one of these we consider milestones?
Milestones in a quote. Not milestones in terms of having to pay something.
So that'd be opportunity.
Yes. Yeah. And then how many days to enter the bond?
So our problem with bombs is that we have to debate on how long it'll take for my customer or my materials to have to do it.
So how much time would you want to give somebody entering a bomb on average a day? Okay. A day. And save.
I'm doing that.
Nope.
Numbers, right? Yeah. Because customer info is all the first and everything else.
Okay, what happens if you exceed the day?
It just shows you as being late on that task. That's all. It's not like anything actually
You
happens.
don't lose anything.
No, it's just for tracking.
Okay.
So, new milestone, yeah.
So, quote review.
Yep.
Opportunity still? Or is that, oh, yes, quote.
No, so we're still at an opportunity. Actually,
Yes.
after the quote's reviewed, I would say we turn it to a quote. Days to complete. How many days you want to complete your reviews?
The review of an actual quote?
Yeah. A day? It's kind of what I'm thinking is mostly should be a day. And then do the final one that's quote completed. So this one's going to be a quote, and then this one's going to be win aloud and resolve. Also, if we can go back, just put 1 day in there. Let's say, can we go back to the other ones and check off lose aloud for each one? And the reason we're doing that is because at any point in this process, you can say, yeah, we're not going to this quote. Right. But you can only win the quote after all the steps are complete. And that's how the task sets work. All right? So you would think that we're done. Unfortunately, there's one extra step that Epicor does force us to do, is it forces us to tell the system what is the next milestone. I know we sequenced it already, right? But we do still have to tell the system what's the next milestone. So we select the first one, customer info enter, and we'll file new next milestone. Right, if you drop that down, select BOM entered. Or BOM entered is the next milestone after customer info entered, right?
Oh, I see. Oh,
Right, so we have to sequence these now.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
so go ahead and save. The only reason it does that is because there are situations where you do have very complex task sets where there could be multiple next milestones and you can have
So you have
three
to
branches.
put the previous one in there?
No, hit undo on that. So now you go to the next one, bomb entered, and then the next milestone for bomb entered. Right, next milestone for bomb entered is quoted.
Oh, that's just okay.
And this is set up once. You don't do
One
this.
time. Yep. There's one time we're going to build a DMT base for this,
Right.
and then we'll set these exact 4 task sets up in that DMT, and we won't look at it ever again.
Makes sense.
That's it. All right, that's it. Task set is complete. So now if we go to a quote, we can test this task set and see how it works. Okay. All right, so let's minimize this. And seeing as Judy's still not yet with us, so if she's going to come in a little bit yet, let's open the DMTs and build the 2 DMTs that we have to build for that real quick.
Okay.
Or the 3 DMTs we have to build, and that way we'll have the DMTs finished for those steps as well. I think it's under the Epicor stuff.
Oh, right.
No, it's not there.
Download and install it. just thought I saw something really cool. We got update list. The ability to save Excel files on CSVs.
Well, that would be interesting. I guess we would look at the task. Okay.
So we're going to start at task type. Note that I did some testing. I remember previously I mentioned we have to have CSVs for our playlists.
Yeah.
We can use actual Excel files, but you can't build the playlist inside of Epicor to use Excel files. You have to build them inside of Epicor.
Good.
So, no, well, I mean, it's easier to build it inside of Epicor because of the file names, right? You
Right.
and stuff. Remember we were building it last week.
Yeah.
It's easier to build inside of Epicor. So, we're going to continue to use CSV files for now, I think. So go ahead and do the type code. Right, type code and type description. And that is it. Right, so don't say this in the playbook.
Yeah.
Say this in the operations side.
Just tasks?
So task type. What I think we should start doing is labeling it exactly as it's titled. Right, task space type. Right, because if we do that, then if we do want to use Excel files, we know exactly what
Spacing in the
Yes,
file?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Because that way we know exactly what the title will be called. Actually, before you say, can you drop that down?
I have a question. The other ones like customer contact, they spaced as well.
We're gonna go back and.
Oh, that's easy to fix.
Let's not screw around.
Let's not screw around. We're gonna stay
with.
with CSV. I just wanted to see that drop down
Yeah.
was there. That's neat.
Okay.
That's new. So go ahead and close this, and let's modify that DMT.
Type code, I guess we started.
We did TT001, I think,
Well,
or task type.
yeah, that was the first one.
No, that's task 001. Right, so now we're talking about the type. This is a type called action verb before I said we have different task types.
All right.
So this would be the different types you have. Realistically, you only have one right now. You have one task type, and that's called action. Right, so your description is probably going to be action, but your type code, it's up to you what you want to call it. If you want to call it action as well, let's see. Try to look at that. Oh, okay. We already have a task type called action, so we can't install it, but we do know that it would have loaded company and type codes, so we're okay with that. Okay. When you do actual load on this one, so if you want to call it actions. Alright, so let's load the next one, which is going to be tasks. Just tasks. Alright, so task ID, task description. We do want roll code as well. We want mandatory. Let's put the priority code in there too. Right, that's got 50 value.
Yeah.
And type code as well. Right, we have to define that type code. You just select action from that task list over and for you. That's perfect. That's all. Task.
Right.
Task.
Task ID would be.
This is T001.
Yeah.
This is where we are. Oh. So this is the description.
Description
of
of
the
it,
task.
so it's kind of customer info.
Yeah, that's very important.
Oh, good.
Roll code is the roll code of the person who's going to do this task. Right, so we got to go find them. real code for the salesperson. I'm not sure if it was actually sales. We're going to go find the real code for it. Or we can open up the real code entry DMT Excel file and it'll be listed there as well. We did. So sales is sales. Yeah. Just want to confirm that was correct. Because if you do mislabel that, then it's just going to error when we try to move it. Basically, we're doing that.
Mandatory.
Yeah, you do whatever you
True.
follow.
Exactly.
So that you can download.
And this is where the action goes, right? Because this is the type code that you can see.
Right.
Actually, you can drag that one down too.
Oh, and I can just change.
Drag that down. And it'll actually.
Oh, yay! Okay, cool. Great. Let me do that.
You can drag all three of them down at the same time.
Oh, yeah? Oh.
You can drag the next two at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
And then just make sure that you do a sequence around them. Or, so just that little plus up button, you drop that down. Copy slides.
Oh, okay. Folks.
Code review. Set up the tabs.
I need my coffee.
Yeah, you need a copy of it.
Yeah. And it's
The last one was code.
Right.
I got it.
yeah, it's complete.
Right, so we have to do one more EMT. You can't load this one yet because you actually switched the task IDs on some of these, which is fine. So, it's because when the quote was entered before is T001, right? Because that was the one we had.
Oh, wait, so I'm just.
So it would be T001, 2, 3, 4. Is how
It
this
has
would
to.
actually-
Those aren't. In
Right, yeah, the complete quote was 001. Fine, I just changed it to.
You could, then it would load, but
Yeah.
you already have the information there.
So you did it. If you have to do it in the order you did it there, the task set sets it up. So
Only if you want to load it back in text. Yeah.
Well, yeah, this is because there was one already there. So
If we were to load this without modifying it into the pilot database,
you have to load it the way it is.
right now we're doing it exactly the way it is because we're going to try to load it back into test rather than loading it back into pilot.
okay, I'm gonna.
So the test database we're working in already has that information. That's why we're copying it identically. Because if otherwise it'll throw errors saying that task already exists and then you're trying to change it.
Anytime you're making changes from this, we would have to go into pirate and change it to live.
No.
Invalid value.
No. So the way this
Let's
works,
say we do it, and then we realize that we were going to add another pass to this down the road.
just add another task. I would actually add manually down there.
Okay, why does it mean invalid value?
The type code action doesn't exist yet.
Oh, okay.
We didn't load it.
Right, that's not very